Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a CapCut video on an iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the CapCut application, and this is the look when you are already arrived in a CapCut application. You can choose either create a new project, or you can also choose the previous project that you have. You can also exploring the feature that appears in the top sections of this CapCut. So if you want to create a video, just start a new project and you will be generated into the video that saved on your device. And now you just need to choose which videos that you want to have into your project. But if you want to make a video from photos, you just need to go into the photos and you can choose which photos that you want to edit into your project. Okay, so you just need to scroll. For today I want to create a video from a photo, and let's just add several photo that we have here. Okay, and after that just click add. So each photo will have a 3 seconds length. You can make it shorter, or you can also make it longer. To make it shorter, you just need to drag this side for each clip into the inner side to make it shorter. If you want to make it longer, you just need to drag this side into the other side. I want to make it shorter, so I want to just drag it in the inside, and I want to make it as 1.5 seconds for each clip. Right there. Okay, and last one. There you go. So let's try this video first. So the movement for each videos here is quite like, I could say, not really smooth, and you can see here each clip has different size. So the size of the ratio of this project will be have the same ratio with the first clip. So all the ratio will be have this size. So I want to make the rest of the clip have the same size by pinch by 2 finger and make it fit into the ratio. Click the clip in active mode and pinch to resize. Right there, adjust the positions. And last one. Okay, and I want to add a transition so that the movement it's gonna be smooth. We can just go, okay, let me repeat. So you just need to click this side to add a transition. You can do a mix so that there will be a mix transition on your project. Let's do for the rest of the clip. Okay, now let's try it. So that's all the way how to create a video from photo on a iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.